Hey fellas, welcome to Friendship Shaving for a fantastic Black Friday shave today. The inspiration for today's shave was given to me by a gentleman who goes by the name of Ronnie Yates in the comment section to my videos. A long time viewer, so Ronnie, thank you very much for your inspiration. And today I'm going to be using a razor that had disappeared but is making a comeback on Black Friday. And it is, you can see the box here, or the tin rather. It is a razor from Yates Precision Manufacturing, and this is my 921 stainless steel safety razor. Has a 4-inch handle. The logo, the original logo on the top. And it's a fantastic razor indeed. So we'll talk more about this as we go along. Today I've got a new soap, and if you've seen the video that I did in my kitchen, which was a show and tell, you'll know what this soap is, but it is my Mr. Murray's Grooming Products Malt Whiskey Shaving Soap. And guys, in the tub it smells fantastic, but I've whipped up a lather in my lather genie today from the Byron Shaving company, and when you get it in a bowl, it's phenomenal. And I've also got my Christmas offering from Mr. Murray's Grooming Products, a beautiful red acrylic brush with a first generation Frank shaving knot in it. And these are on offer, well, they've been sold for £9.95, and I think that's an incredible price for an acrylic brush. Has a logo stamped in the bottom there. I've got it upside down. There we go. So you can see what a nice brush this is. Long time since I've used a first generation knot. Let's see what this one is like from Frank Shaving. Let's go. It's very nice so far. Nice and easy to use. It has a little bit of scritch on first use, but of course it's going to break in and become a lot better. But I think this is a very, very exceptionally priced brush. It feels absolutely great using it in a painting motion. Definitely a brush that would suit a bowl latherer, and of course it's priced ideally for, you know, kids who want to buy their dad something, or very good idea, and a very attractive looking handle. Very attractive indeed. So there we go, you can see I've got a good lather going on here. This little lather genie from Byron Shaving, it's only a small bowl, but it works incredibly well. I knocked up a lather in about 15 seconds. Very quick indeed. I spread some soap in the bottom, and the soap out of the tub is nice and soft. I added just a drop of water just to cover the base. Let that sit for a couple of minutes while I washed my face. Got the damp brush in there, and as I say, 15 seconds, I had a great lather. So very, very good products today. I need to reach for my towel, guys. For some reason, I've put it down there. Back in a moment. There we go, that's better. I'll just put it on the edge of the basin there. So the razor blade I'm using today, I'm just continuing to use one of these extreme platinum blades. Been using them for a while now, and they're just here on the window ledge. So I keep reaching for them rather. This one is on its third use and it works very, very well in this razor. The 921 stainless steel razor from Yates Precision Manufacturing. It's one of these razors that has the angle preset for you, and it's fantastic. It's a really good razor. I find it to be a medium shave, but a very effective shave. It apparently is a little bit more aggressive than the America razor, which YMP, no, that's the wrong way around, isn't it? Yates Precision, YPM, also produced. But I don't find this aggressive at all. This is the M head, which is the mid-level head. Guys, it suits me fantastically. And it was Ronnie who put me onto a video featuring Jake, the manufacturer of this razor, and Matt Pasasic from Razor Emporium. They were having a shave together and discussing some things, and that was the inspiration for me using my 921 razor. And the news from that video, and I will put a link up to it so you can catch it from this video, but the news from that video is that Razor Emporium have taken over Yates Precision Manufacturing, but the name will remain the same, and they are, by all accounts, trying to bring out a razor for today, Black Friday. So I'll put the link in the description and you can check on that and see if they've actually done it. That is really good news. Jake Yates had to take a regular job, and him and his partner and his family had to step away from making razors. So it's exceptionally good news that the brand will continue under the same name. And Matt from Razor Emporium purchased a milling machine, and in the video you can see that working, and it's fantastic. And the Rex Page razor is the first razor under the Razor Emporium banner to be made on that milling machine. So there we are. All very interesting if you are into this sort of thing. Guys, I haven't used this razor for a very long time. It must be a couple of years. And I've forgotten what a great shave it is. It has a 4-inch thin handle, but not gripping it hard, but there's a nice bit of leverage because of that longer handle. Excuse me. are fantastic. You know, it's got such good slickness on this soap. The scent, guys, is just phenomenal. I really, really like it. I know these things are subjective, but it is a lovely, warm, scented shaving soap. Ideal for the colder weather. It really smells lovely. And as I said on the last video, it is a rendition of Thierry Mugler's, I've got it written down, I've forgotten it already. Oh, Amen Pure Malt. Sorry about that, guys. It was one of those moments where the name just flew out of my head. But Amen Pure Malt, it is fantastic. It's got a scent of whiskey, a smoky whiskey. It's got sweet caramelised malt. It has the scent of some dark red fruits and apparently blends. Oh, I just got a rich smell of the dark fruits then. It's lovely, guys. And it dies down into a vanilla and patchouli based notes. Really, really up my street. There we are. I'm trying to put as much of my soap on as possible. Do you know what, guys, this G1 brush is very nice. Of course, I don't know what other G1 brushes were like, but I like this one. It's got a little bit of backbone. It's super smooth using it in a painting fashion. Yeah, that's nice as well. I think this is a fantastic brush, guys. I really do. If you like a brush with a little bit of backbone, under £10, can't get over that. So against the grain on the neck. This razor works fantastically well for me. I know it was a very popular razor when it came out, and for good reason. YPM also produced the America razor, and what was the other one called? It'll come to me in a moment. The winning razor. I knew it'd come. Both were made initially for shaving groups. But they proved to be very popular. Oh, this is a great shave, guys. I've just remembered something about the soap. Let me show you. You see the tartan there? That is the Merry tartan, or it is one of the Merry tartans. So Mr. Merry's grooming products uses the Merry tartan. And if you like a bit of history, you'll perhaps appreciate that the Merrys, they are steeped in history. They fought with William Wallace. They fought alongside King Robert the Bruce. They fought with King Henry VII, I think. And they also flocked to the banner of Bonnie Prince Charlie. So they really are steeped in history. There we are. What a shave so far. And that's a phenomenal shave, guys. I've just got a little bit there. Super slickness on this soap, so I know I can just go like that. Brilliant. Oh, it really is slick, guys. Very, very excellent shave today. Gonna have a drop of cold water, and then I've got the matching splash Scotland the Brave. Oh yeah, absolutely brilliant, guys. Here we are, matching splash Scotland the Brave. Good splash of that. Oh, a little bit of alcohol in the shave, which is shaving in the aftershave, which I like. Just letting that dissipate slightly. Oh yeah, that's a lovely scent, guys. That's a nice one. Right up my street. That's my shave for now. You take care of yourselves. Thank you very much for watching. I will put all the links below, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.